Today, we dive into the latest buzz in the drone world, the DJI Neo. This compact, feature-rich drone is poised to revolutionize how we approach aerial photography and videography. Let's explore the stunning capabilities that make the DJI Neo a game-changer. The DJI Neo immediately grabs attention with its streamlined, minimalist design. Weighing a mere 135 grams, this ultralight drone is perfect for adventurers and travelers who need a portable option without sacrificing performance. The Neo's compact build means it can be easily slipped into a backpack or even a large jacket pocket, making it the ultimate travel companion for capturing breathtaking aerial images and videos on the go. One of the standout design elements of the DJI Neo is its unique vertical axis gimbal, engineered to enhance image stabilization. This cutting-edge feature minimizes shake and keeps footage smooth and professional, even in turbulent flight conditions. Whether you're flying through strong winds or navigating tricky landscapes, the DJI Neo ensures every shot is stable and crystal clear. To further enhance safety, the DJI Neo includes propeller guards. These guards protect the drone's propellers from damage during takeoff, landing, and in-flight operations, making it a durable option for all users. One of the most innovative features of the DJI Neo is its voice control capability. This allows users to operate the drone using simple voice commands, offering a hands-free experience that adds convenience and ease, especially when the user's hands are otherwise occupied. The DJI Neo comes with the advanced DJI Air CN3 remote control, designed for precise handling and an intuitive user experience. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during prolonged use, while the integrated interface seamlessly connects with the DJI Fly app, providing real-time telemetry and camera feedback. The DJI Neo offers a remarkable suite of features at a highly competitive price, making it accessible to a wide audience. Priced at just $329 for the complete combo package, which includes the drone, remote control, battery, propeller guards, and other essential accessories, the DJI Neo represents excellent value for money. With its innovative features, compact design, and affordable price, the DJI Neo is set to raise the bar in the consumer drone market. Its versatility caters to a broad audience, from hobbyists looking to capture stunning aerial imagery to professionals needing a reliable tool for high-quality video production. The DJI Neo's ease of use and advanced capabilities make it an appealing choice for anyone eager to explore the potential of drone photography and videography. Stay connected for more updates on the DJI Neo and other groundbreaking innovations in the tech world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in technology.